Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1, Ambani family planning to file appeal in court. Recently, SEBI had imposed a rupees 25 crore fine on Ambani brothers and few others for violating some rules with respect to acquiring shares in Reliance Industries. Now, Ambani brothers are planning to file an appeal against the SEBI order. We have to see what happens in this case. News number 2, Coffee Day Enterprises reports rupees 518 crores debt. Coffee Day Enterprises has disclosed rupees 518 crores in short and long-term debts and has defaulted on loans of about rupees 263 crores to Axis Bank, Aditya Birla Group and some other banks. This company has been waiting for rupees 700 crores for having sold Global Technology Village in Bangalore, which is a particular piece of land. As of now, Coffee Day shares are suspended from stock exchange as the company has not filed its financial results. News number 3. Government collected rupees 9.45 lakh crores direct tax in 2020-21. The central government has collected a total of rupees 9.45 lakh crores in direct taxes in financial year 2021. The government had estimated rupees 9.05 lakh crores collection. For financial year 2021-22, government has estimated direct tax collections of rupees 11.08 lakh crores as per the budget. We need to see how much they are actually going to collect. News number 4. Policy Bazaar planning IPO in September 2021. Online insurance portal Policy Bazaar is planning for an IPO in September 2021. It plans to raise around rupees 3,500 crore in the IPO. It is likely to file draft prospectus with SEBI by May 2021. The total company is valued at rupees 25,000 crores. News number 5. Banks may report lower profits in January to March 2021 quarter. Last year, Supreme Court had ordered banks to not classify loans as NPAs since it was difficult for people and companies to pay interest due to COVID. Hence, such loans were not reported as NPAs. However, now that Supreme Court has lifted the loan moratorium and NPAs can be reported if loans are not repaid now, what will happen is bank profits may get affected by this and may become lower than normal. So this was today's breaking news video. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you understood the content of this video, please type understood in the comment section and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.